Hey there, hustlers! Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to earn money online without spending a single dime. Stick around because we're about to reveal some game-changing strategies. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and get paid. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are perfect to get started. Create a compelling profile showcasing your skills and past work. Write a catchy bio and highlight your strengths. Apply for jobs matching your expertise. Consistency is key. Once you get that first 5-star review, opportunities will pour in. Let's explore online surveys and market research. Platforms like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie offer easy ways to make extra cash. It's a simple, no-cost method to earn some pocket money during your downtime. Sign up for multiple survey sites to maximize earnings. Be honest and consistent with responses. It's a simple way to turn spare time into extra income. Have a skill or knowledge others might find valuable? Create and sell digital courses or ebooks? Use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Share your expertise without any upfront costs. Think about what you're passionate about. It could be anything from cooking to coding. Package your knowledge into a structured course. It becomes a source of passive income. Finally, let's talk about affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Share your affiliate links on a blog, YouTube, or social media. Choose products that align with your interests and create engaging content. Promote products you genuinely believe in, and your audience will trust your recommendations. There you have it, folks. 4 powerful ways to start earning money online without any investment. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell.